Hey there, welcome back to Financial Rich Life. If you're looking to take control of your finances and build a future full of financial freedom, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about 5 proven strategies for long-term wealth creation that can help you achieve your financial dreams. Let's dive right in. Strategy number 1, start investing early. Here's the deal. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. That's the magic of compound interest. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it grows over time. You don't need a fortune to get started. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity make it easy to begin investing with as little as $10. Focus on long-term investments, like index funds or ETFs, and let time do the heavy lifting. Next up, strategy number 2, diversify your portfolio. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. Risky, right? Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative assets like gold or cryptocurrencies. This helps balance the risks and ensures that if one investment dips, others can keep you afloat. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is key to weathering market storms. Strategy 3, focus on consistent saving. Building wealth isn't just about earning, it's about saving. A simple rule to follow is the 50-30-20 budget. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment account. This way, saving becomes effortless, and you'll thank yourself later. Examples: visuals of books, online courses, and someone learning a skill. Strategy number 4, invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your knowledge and skills. Take courses, read books, attend workshops, whatever helps you grow professionally and personally. Skills like leadership, communication, or learning about a high-demand industry can significantly boost your income potential. A person looking at a vision board and ignoring short-term distractions. Finally, strategy number 5, think long-term and stay disciplined. It's easy to get distracted by market ups and downs or chase quick money schemes. But real wealth comes from staying focused on your goals and thinking long-term. Set clear financial goals, whether it's retiring early, buying a home, or starting a business, and remind yourself why you're staying disciplined. Patience and consistency always pay off in the long run. So there you have it, 5 proven strategies for long-term wealth creation. 1, start investing early. 2, diversify your portfolio. 3, focus on consistent saving. 4, invest in yourself. 5, think long-term and stay disciplined. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Financial Rich Life, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Share your favorite wealth-building strategy in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay financially rich. Subscribe for more financial tips.